Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making Japanese egg salad sandwich. To begin, in a saucepan with cold water, add in 3 large eggs. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat. Once the water begins to boil, let them cook for 10 minutes. And after boiling for 10 minutes, transfer them into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Peel the eggshells once they have been cooled completely. Now, using a fork, mash them into small pieces. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, freshly ground black pepper to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of milk, and 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayo. Then mix until evenly incorporated. To assemble, you may use Japanese bread or any type of white bread would work. Spread salted butter on all the slices of bread. Now evenly distribute the egg salad on 2 of the slices of bread. Place the other slice on top. And as it is traditional in Japan, you may cut the bread crust. Then you may slice it in half. And I think now you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, Japanese egg salad sandwich. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!